Salut tout le monde, c'est Inax, j'espère que vous allez bien. On se retrouve sur Gridfall pour continuer notre aventure. On est en plein coup d'état. Donc là il va falloir, au niveau de la quête, mettre en sécurité les conseillers de Constantin et mettre Constantin bien sûr en sécurité. Donc là on nous dit de descendre. Descendre hein. Et là on nous dit de monter. Alors attendez, il me semble que ici on peut monter. C'est ça. On va d'abord monter avant de descendre, parce que ça sera beaucoup plus pratique. Peut-être par là. Non, pas du tout. Cassez-vous, je dois partir. La personne doit être ici.
Lord de Corsillon, the Coin Guard tried to assassinate my cousin and is plotting the same actions against the other governors.
So, they have finally done it. Such proximity to power is a terrible temptation. It was only a question of time before they succumbed.
We should have paid more attention to your lessons. We might have been able to avoid all this. Follow me. I'm taking you somewhere safe.
I'm coming.
Très bien. Y a pas à dire. Je sais que je me répète, mais ce sort est terrible. Donc, il me semble que c'est de ce côté. On a quoi là? Non, on n'a rien. Bon. Petit bug visuel. Ça arrive. Ça arrive. Donc là, quoi qu'il arrive, il faut descendre.
To my help! Death to the others!
Il faut continuer à descendre. Ok.
Bit of poison on my blade. Then let's go!
Je me demande si on va pouvoir s'en sortir avec les deux conseillers. Attendez. Ici, donc, on peut passer comme ça. On va passer de l'autre côté.
Lord Minister, the Coin Guard wants to take control of the island by assassinating all its governors.
The guard is everywhere. They could succeed.
We will do everything in our power to thwart them. Come now. We'll take you somewhere safe.
I'll follow you.
Allez, Apollo Creed, on y va. Là, donc on doit descendre.
A bit of poison on my blade.
doit descendre. Donc on avait vu que c'était ici. On descend de ce côté. On doit être par là.
Bit of poison on my blade. Let's go!
Même pas un petit légendaire? Une petite bague légendaire s'il vous plaît. Oui, il faut puissance, puissance 5 même. Je m'en fous. C'est de ce côté. Dans ce bureau là. Voilà. Le cellier.
We've reached the cellar. It looks like a good place to hide. Constantine, promise me that you will stay here until we secure the city.
Do I even have a choice? Here I am consigned to my quarters like some broken old maid.
Like someone ill, Constantine. Someone who is dear to me. And the city wouldn't survive your loss.
You have such a way with words. Very well. I promise to stay here, obediently awaiting your return.
Let's go then.
And cousin? Watch out for yourself. You are dear to me as well.
You are safe here.
Ouais.
You have my eternal gratitude, Excellency.
Maintenant, il faut sortir.
You will be safe here.
Commencer à botter des culs dans la ville. Je pense qu'on va bien s'amuser. Non, l'escalier. Allez, c'est parti. Prévenir le prédécesseur de mon cousin.
Lady Morange, make ready to depart. We cannot remain here.
But what is going on?
The Coin Guard has decided to take control of the Isle. They plan to overthrow the governors. They were set on assassinating Constantine and his entire entourage.
The idiots!
You are in danger. Do you know a safe place we could take you?
Don't worry about me. I have friends here. They will hide me. Go! And do be careful.
On va sortir, on va se faire attaquer. C'était sûr.
Poison on my blade. And let's go!
C'était sûr. Je sais pas ce que ça peut donner en... Comment dire, en faisant les autres personnages. Au niveau du corps à corps, tout ça. 45 mètres. Commence à être un petit peu plus lourd là. Vous avez remarqué, commence à être lourd, mais je ne m'arrête pas de looter.
Make preparations to leave. I have a message to communicate immediately to the governor of San Mateus. You must tell the Mother Cardinal that the Coin Guard is preparing a coup d'etat. Her life and those of her entourage are in grave danger.
Very well, Your Excellency. I'll leave immediately.
Ah mais c'est Denzel! Denzel Washington! Oh putain il est parti. On le retrouvera là-bas. Qui c'est qui va se bouffer un petit coup?
And let's go! Potion if you want to count.
Ah, il a réussi à me toucher quand même. Hein. Tiens, un coup dans le vent. Toujours plein. Épique. Les trucs qui piquent, c'est bien aussi. Oula. Force 5. Je veux la même chose en
Now is not
légendaire
the time.
et en bague. Je sais, j'en demande beaucoup. Je sais même pas où est-ce qu'on en est de l'histoire là. Si on a fait la moitié ou pas. On verra, de toute façon je m'amuse bien.
Bit of poison on my blade. Then let's go!
Je sais pas combien d'épisodes on fera sur cette série. Et quoi qu'il arrive,
Now is not the
je
time.
terminerai le jeu.
Now is not the time.
Je pensais pas aussi bien accroché, hein.
Messenger, be ready to leave at once. You must warn the governor of Hikmet that a conspiracy is underway targeting him.
It's just that I can't leave
Ha!
the city.
Samuel L.
just yet.
Jackson.
What are you talking
Ah mais on a
about?
tous les acteurs ici.
The order comes from the governor. What more do you need?
It's just that I was told if I left the city today, it would cost me my life.
Who said that? The commander's men, I suppose.
I don't really know, but they were heavily armed and they pay very well.
Charisme. 50%. Allez. Eh, tu sais qui je suis
And
là?
so you are prepared to betray your prince and country for a few coins. Don't you understand that the reason I am standing before you is because the guard failed to take this city? Do you know the punishment reserved for traitors?
Eh oui, tu le sais.
Very well, Excellency. I'll leave immediately. The
T'as
commander
intérêt.
must be in his upstairs quarters preparing
Sinon
the
tu
attack.
feras
We should
le
try to reach
trajet
it discreetly.
We could try to
avec
go through
mon
the
pied au
tavern's
cul.
kitchen.
That's one way to do it.
Arrêtez les lieutenants.
Or we could use the scaffolding to
Oh,
access
ils sont
the
au
upper
même
floor
endroit.
directly. But it's visible
On va bien
from
se
the
marrer.
dormitories. And I know that the young recruits were ordered to stay there.
They will not suspect us if we're wearing guard uniforms. Do you know where the three lieutenants you told us about are located?
Oui, on loot un petit
Ludger is an
peu.
instructor. He'll be
C'est
in
pour
the
garder
white room of the
la forme.
barracks. As for the other two, they'll be at the tavern. Olga and Werner are in charge of the guards' secondary activities in the
Alors
basement.
apparemment il faut
I see.
monter.
Our priority should still be to stop
Cours
Torsten.
d'entraînement.
We will worry about the others later.
On monte. Très bien. Donc ça doit être ici. Là. Putain, j'allais prendre le placard. Si je vais dans le placard, ça sert à rien.
What are you doing here? Who let you in? I demand an explanation.
It seems that your men are a little distracted this evening, Lieutenant. It is understandable, with all that's been going on. You are under arrest as well as your commander.
But what is this? I recognize you. You're the governor's emissary. And Kurt, you had your orders.
Sorry, but forced to betray someone, I decided it would be the less likable of the lot.
Traitor. Soldiers, ready weapons.
A bit of poison on my blade. Then let's go! Take a potion if you want to cast more spells.
Allez, donne-moi quelque chose de bien. Quoi, 2 pièces d'or? Il avait? Ah mais c'était... Attends, c'était lui Ah mais il est complètement fauché le mec. Faut arrêter, Faut arrêter d'aller voir les putes, hein. Putain mais ils sont tous fauchés, hein. C'est pas possible. Projeté niveau 2. Ouais. C'est pas top, hein. Donc du coup, faut descendre. Là, on est au même niveau que lui. Ah, il doit être en train de se saouler au bar. Ou il est en train de se faire astiquer Eh oui, c'est ça.
I'm sorry, Your Excellency. I know you've paid your entry fee, but this is a special night.
Ah, une soirée
My
spéciale.
orders are not to let anyone in.
Ne pas insister et partir.
What if I
Allez,
paid
vas-y.
you a supplement for your good services?
Prends ça et casse-toi.
Very well, you can come in. I hope I won't be in trouble.
Des ennuis? Mais mon gars, tu viens de perdre ton boulot là, tu le sais pas?
I regret, milady, we are closed this evening. Come back another day.
I'm not here to tempt my luck. Are you in charge?
That's right, what do you want from me?
Qu'est-ce qu'elle a, vous,
From you?
Goldberg là?
Nothing. We are here to arrest the commander's
Allez,
lieutenants.
vous allez dégager.
Is that right? Now this ought to be good. And for what crime would that be?
You know very well. For high treason.
Oh, and you think that my men are just gonna let you, without so much as blinking an eye?
Laissez Kurt intervenir. Ouais, allez, vas-y.
Kurt?
The real question is why would they stand up for an egotistical vermin like yourself, who for his personal advancement would condemn the rest of us to an eternity on this isle, cut off from the world, without supplies, and surrounded by furious islanders. What a great idea. Come on now, give yourself up, imbecile. Only you and your companions are crazy enough to believe such a plan had legs.
Sorry, Lieutenant, but Kurt is making sense.
A bit of poison in my belly.
Donc du coup,
Soldiers, ready weapons! We are under attack!
ouais, c'est ça,
We have
venez.
been sent by the governor Constantin d'Orsay.
75%. Mais comment je vais
Your
louper ça?
lieutenant is accused of high treason for having participated in an attempted coup d'etat. As you can see for yourselves, the attempt failed. Are you also ready to be accused of treason? Because of your loyalty to your lieutenant?
I doubt it.
Ah, j'ai réussi.
I'm sure they're gonna make the
Ah, c'est bon,
wise
ça.
decision. Isn't that right, Dieter?
You give your word that we'll suffer no repercussions if we lay down arms?
You have my word.
Very well. We are dropping our weapons, soldiers. That dog's hide doesn't deserve our sacrifice.
A bit of poison.
Comme ça, j'en ai tué un minimum. Ah, parce que si je commence à fighter tout le monde, il n'y aura plus personne dans le village. Là, faut repartir dans l'autre porte. Parce que si je commence à prendre les portes intérieures, je vais me paumer comme à chaque fois. Bon, là, on sait que il faut monter. Alors, monter, c'est par là. « 20 mètres. Non mais on a déjà été ici. Qu'est-ce qui... Ah, peut-être là.
Shit. We've arrived too late.
Do you know where Torsten could have gone?
No. But we'll certainly find some information about it in these papers.
On sait où il est.
Torsten suspected that I would denounce him, and he was prepared to leave this place. We must catch up to him. He cannot get away with this.
Let's go.
Projeté niveau 3, ça me fait pas peur. Allez, ah ouais, cassez-vous. On va vite au port. C'est par où? C'est par où? C'est par où? Je crois que c'est par là.
Torsten is a snake,
Voilà.
but he's clever. Apparently, he suspected I would refuse to.
The guard, we're moving out. Break camp. We are no longer welcome here. And so, these snake oil merchants defy us by sending their watchdog.
Tu sais pas qui je suis, mon gars.
Let's show them what guards are made of. Come here, you pathetic dog.
Ouais, Matrix. Ouh, ça fait mal ça.
You, Commander.
J'ai vu la même chose dans American History X. Coup de talon derrière la nuque. Et je te fais bouffer le bitume. Donc du coup, on se casse d'ici. Et on va voir le petit Constantin. Oh merde.
Do I have the time to return and see those dear to me?
Non. Ah non. T'as vu la gueule que t'as, putain. Tu pourrais jouer dans Resident Evil là, sans problème. Hein.
How are you feeling?
Death is on my doorstep, and all hope has flown through the window. Come closer. What ill tidings do you bring?
I thought you would like to know that the Coin Guard's attempt to take control of the island has failed.
This is excellent news. The kind I've not had in a great while. Thank you, Kurt. Were it not for your loyalty, we were lost. And as for you, my fair cousin, you know what I owe you. Not only have you looked out for me, like always, but you have protected my advisors.
Yes. And if your highness would permit, I would like to relay our most sincere gratitude from all of Thélème. Thanks to your message, the Mother Cardinal was able to thwart the Commander's plans. By the grace of the Illuminated, the city is saved, and the traitors punished as they should be.
I was told that you were able to catch the Commander and his underlings before they were able to flee.
Barely, but yes. They are going to have to pay for their crimes.
I cannot remember if the traitors are hung before being quartered, or if it is the contrary. Enough talk of ruffians. They failed, and for that, I again thank Kurt.
If your highness is looking for a means to translate his gratitude, gold is a present that is always appreciated.
I imagine that you shall name a new commander.
Yes. I will discuss the matter with loyalist officers, but I think I know who will be elected.
I hope it is someone whom we can trust. We do need soldiers, but loyal soldiers above all.
We are well aware that the Guard's reputation has been tarnished. We will not make the same mistake twice. Sieglinde is solid and loyal. I have fought beside her.
You have my complete trust, Kurt. You have amply earned it. Before you leave, I must ask you something.
All right. I'm listening.
I do suffer, my fair cousin. I suffer so horribly, and alas, we have yet to discover neither cure nor remedy.
I'm sorry. I fully intend to continue my research. We have a number of leads, but with all that's been happening...
Don't blame yourself. I know how much you do for me. Yet, I'm afraid that before the sickness claims me, the pain will have driven me mad. If only there was a way to ease my suffering.
I know of a healer, with powers that are legendary amongst the clans. It is rumored he can alleviate even the most terrible pains. His village is west of the city. I could take you there.
One of our holy men lives in San Mateus. His healing powers are supposedly miraculous. Alas, it is a miracle we are in need of, my son.
I'm nothing more than a sailor. I don't have much to offer when it comes to healing. As it would seem Thélème are prey for the Malachor, just like the Bridge Alliance. Perhaps it would be best to ask for aid from those not suffering from the plague.
The sailor's right. The holy men and the sages had their chance on the continent, and we all know how that went.
Thank you, as always, for your advice. Cousin, you are the only one I trust, so please, don't let me lose my mind.
I'll follow the leads and find a way. I won't let you down. Hold on. I'll be back as soon as I can.
Ah putain, mais on l'a laissé 5 minutes. En 5 minutes, le mec il se transforme en zombie. Bon, du coup, moi je vais aller directement chez les natifs. Hein, parce que les autres, ils ont déjà testé leur remède et finalement ça marche pas. Donc, les souffrances de Constantin. Guérisseur. Ou trouver le guérisseur. Ouais, chavaille. Ouais, chavaillé. Putain, mais les noms à dormir couché dehors, quoi. Ici, on va trouver le guérisseur. Ah ouais, mais attends. Hop là, comme ça m'indiquera. Voilà. Ah, c'est le nom du village, d'accord. Ah, on pouvait lui parler. Ouais, ça, on le fera après. Ouh, niveau poids, je suis un petit peu juste. Un tout petit peu juste. On va essayer de pas trop loot. Enfin, essayer. Ça serait presque cause perdue, malheureusement. On est juste à côté, c'est parfait, ça.
Quesi! Get out!
Et
Who
oh,
do you think you are to foil our ritual? One of those mind shakers, no doubt.
Aiden, it is your duty to assure we are not interrupted.
1,000 pardons, Tien. It is indeed one of those mind shakers.
A mind shaker? Look at him more closely, Aiden. He is an Almanawi. Present yourself and tell me why you interrupt our ceremony.
My name is Desarde. I have come looking for you to ask for your help.
Then, how can I help you?
My cousin suffers from a terrible sickness. The Malikor.
I do not know this sickness. But perhaps we call it by a different name.
It turns the blood black and provokes terrible suffering. And alas, it is fatal in all cases.
We've never seen the ailing touched by such a sickness. And I doubt I am able to heal your cousin.
We are looking for a remedy, but urgently need to relieve his pain. Could you slow the progression of the sickness? Keep him from suffering?
In that, I can help you. I know how to make one forget the pain, even the most severely wounded.
But Tiern, with all that is happening now, you cannot leave to visit this ill person.
It is true. My village needs me now. I cannot leave. I must attend them.
What is going on? Perhaps we can help you.
Truly? You?
Do they have a choice, Aiden? They do really seem to have need of me, don't they?
Well then, tell us what we need to do.
The situation has become unbearable. And it all started when these Moin Shakers began arriving. They wanted to convert everyone and take them to another place. Turn them away from us. And of course, the village folk would not be persuaded. But the Moin Shakers remained.
And it was also at that time the Tenland started to attack. It is not their way to do as such.
There are many wounded, and recently many have gone missing. We must discover from where these monsters come.
I can try and talk sense into the missionaries, perhaps with the help of Bishop Petrus. As for the attacks of the creatures, I will see what I can do. But I need more information.
Our master hunter, or the families of the Taken, could most likely help you.
Very well. I'll take care of it. Make preparations to accompany us. The days are burning like very thin candles.
Do not worry. If you see to the concerns of my village, I will be most happy to accompany you.
Let's go and see this master hunter. He should be able to tell us more about these attacks.
je sais, j'ai dit qu'il fallait pas que je fouille. Je sais. Je suis qu'un connard. Oh, le mec il a carrément une rivière dans sa baraque. Ça, je te raconte pas les moustiques en été. Hein. On s'en fout de l'autre guérisseur. Pari dangereux. Parlez à Petrus de son plan. Parlez aux missionnaires. Parlez aux chasseurs. D'accord. Il y aura toujours le guérisseur de San Mathéus. Non, moi je veux ceux-là, moi. Ils font chier. Alors, on a quoi? Parlez aux chasseurs. Il est juste au-dessus.
Good day. Are you the Master Hunter?
Beortir to Madre Naixe. I am indeed one and the same person. What do you want of me?
À propos des attaques, lui demander d'expliquer le problème.
The Donegad Katazak spoke to me about the animal attacks. Could you tell me more?
The Tenlands have been angered. They are very angry. The beasts have always lived here. But they only attack if we tread near their nest. Of late, they attack on sight. There have been many wounded, and some of our young have even disappeared. It may be that the Tenlands killed them, but it is also possible they followed the missionaries.
D'accord. Demander des informations sur les Tanlan.
What can you tell me about the Tenlands?
They are normally very peaceful creatures, very calm, but who defend their young with fury. During the attacks, I noticed that they were not all the same. Not all from the same nest.
What do you mean?
That the other beasts don't come from here, but from other places. And that they are coming more and more often.
Lui parler des victimes.
Were there many victims?
Many wounded. Thanks to the healing powers of the Donegan, they survived. But the attacks happen more and more often. And they come with greater fury. I try to chase them away. To destroy any nests that I found. But still, more of them come. And now our children disappear. Distress alone could kill our village.
Can you tell me who they are?
A young fisherman and a gatherer. You will find the sister of the woman and the brother of the man in the village.
I will go and see them.
Ouais. Lui demander comment vaincre les Tanlan.
I believe I can help you in your fight against the Tenlands. How would you advise me to go about it?
You must destroy their nests. It's sad, but the only way to stop their numbers growing. There are most likely 3 around here. I can point you in the direction to one that I discovered. I would have taken care of it, but my village cannot spare my presence here. I must keep watch. I did not find the 2 others. Some in the village may know where to find them.
And how would I go about destroying the nests?
You must burn them and kill the dominant one. Or else they will build again.
D'accord, il reconstruit
We
le
see
nid.
them especially at dawn. After that, we no longer see them.
D'accord.
But
À
be
l'aube.
careful, Renaxe. The night belongs to the Tenlands. That is when they are most awake. Going out at night is very dangerous.
I thank you for your advice. We shall go and destroy the nest come dawn.
Très bien. Lui parler de l'agressivité des Tanlan.
Isn't it odd that these creatures who are normally passive have become so aggressive?
Yes. Yes. This has never happened in my lifetime.
What do you know? Speak. Lives are at risk.
I do not speak of things I am not sure of. The Renaigse, like you, do not understand the bond we have with nature.
Insister, lui proposer de l'aide.
Is there anything that we might be able to do for you?
Besides destroying their nests and fighting the Tenlands, do you know the art of crafting weapons? Our artisan was among the wounded, and my weapon is broken.
I can try to repair it.
Here, in this condition, it is of no use to me at all.
Très bien. On va essayer. Parler des missionnaires.
What do you know about the missionaries?
The Mind Shakers. They came here before the attacks of the Tenlands and buzz around us like flies. They speak of light, of demons, and the soul. Their words make little sense. All that they want is for us to join their village, and that we serve them as if they were Tiern. They want to make us Renaigse. They want to sever our bond with our lands. Their words do not touch those old enough to understand. But the young are sometimes swayed and listen. They follow them to their Eden village, and they become their servants. Their bond is cut.
Have you tried to fight them?
No, but some have fought, because they treat the young girls badly. I think if not for the attacks, no one would have turned to them and their light. But hope fled our village, and the weak of courage have doubts and listen to their lies.
It sounds as if the attacks began at a timely moment for the missionaries.
Insister sur l'agressivité des créatures.
Look, I really need you to tell me what you know about the cause of the attacks.
I regret I cannot speak words about something you would not understand. And as you say,
Non mais on s'en fout, dis-le.
It is only an intuition.
Oh là là. Bon, on va arrêter d'insister. De toute façon,
Katazak advised us to speak with the families of those missing. Perhaps they might know where the Tenlands have built their nests.
réparer artisanat 1. Et je n'ai pas l'artisanat. Ah, faut que je sois niveau 25 pour le prochain point. J'ai pas une tenue qui me fait grimper l'artisanat. Oh, je suis sûr que je dois avoir une tenue dans un coffre pour faire monter l'artisanat.
Good day. I have been sent here by your Donegad. He asked me to help you.
I hope he is right, and that you are not like the Mind Shakers. My sister has gone missing.
It is for that very reason that I am here. To attempt to find her, or to understand.
Then I will tell you what I know.
Donc, l'aspect de sa sœur. Bon, ça doit être kiff-kiff comme elle. Hein.
Your sister. What does she look like?
She is a very beautiful young woman. Kind and sweet. I miss her so very much.
Is she very careful? Does she know she should be wary of the beasts?
Oh yes, she knows it very well. But she has been star-eyed of late. And the stars make you forget all caution.
L'aspect de sa sœur, on l'a fait. Le moment de sa disparition.
How long has she been missing?
2 nights have gone by since. She told me that she was going to gather berries. It was early in the day, but she never returned. I called for her from the edge of the village, in vain, and the Tenlands were roaming.
Do you know where she usually goes picking?
Certainly, in the clearing. We find a great many berries there.
Des ennemis. Les ennemis de sa sœur.
Is there anyone in the village that might want her harmed?
No. No, everyone loves her. Maybe a little too much.
Why do you say that?
She is beautiful and young. The Mind Shakers took notice. And the boys of the village did as well.
What do you think likely happened to her?
She might have been attacked by the Tenlands. But it was early, and they come out mostly at night.
You think it might have been something else?
I hope. Even if it is a strange hope. Perhaps she was taken by the Mind Shakers. They were pestering her the other day. They behaved without respect. A boy intervened and chased them off.
But do you think that they might have captured her outside of the village? That merits inspection.
Les Tenlands.
Tell me about the Tenlands. About their attacks.
Before, I only very rarely came across the beasts. We knew their nesting grounds and kept clear of them. But now they are everywhere and they attack everyone. They've even been known to come as close as the clearing where we pick berries. Very far from their favorite grounds.
Do you know how to fight them?
No, I am not a fighter. If you want such advice, ask the Master Hunter.
Well, I will go and investigate this clearing. Perhaps they built a nest near there.
It is possible, because before there was never one near there.
Parler des missionnaires.
Could you tell me anything about the missionaries?
They are monosynaig. They think that they can
Ça doit être
take
des connards, en
anything
fait.
they desire.
What do you mean?
They came to our beautiful village. They wanted to take away our young people. Many heard their words and left. We never saw them again. But I saw how they treated my sister. I believe that they take the young to serve them. They wanted to take my sister like that, as if she were a tool. And if it were not for the young fisherman...
The one who is also missing?
Yes. He was very brave. I hope they didn't hurt her to avenge their pride.
I'm going to have to go and speak with them. I must leave now.
Bon bah elle nous a aidé au moins pour la clairière déjà. Je suis où? Alors, on n'a pas de feu de camp, donc là c'est l'arme à réparer. Parler aux familles et trouver et détruire le nid. D'accord, il y a un nid juste là. Ah ça va, il est pas trop loin le nid là. Je pense qu'on va y aller tout de suite. On va lui dégommer sa gueule. Parce qu'il fait nuit. Donc je sais qu'ils sont quand même assez agressifs. Mais ça c'est pas grave. C'est bien par là hein. Ouais.
Given the presence of Tenlands in this clearing, there must be a nest not far from here.
Bit of poison on my blade. Then let's go!
The hunter mentioned that their dominant only went out at dawn. I would be better to come back later. It is dawn. The ideal moment. I must kill the dominant before destroying the nest.
Poison on my blade. Then let's go! You're running out of energy. Drink a potion. Bit of poison on my blade. Then let's go! Take a potion if you want to cast more spells. You're running out of energy. Drink a potion.
Parfait ça. Il faudrait que je vérifie où est-ce que je vais mettre mes points. J'avais pas envie de mettre dans l'artisanat. Un sur 3. Ouais, je suis trop chargé. Bon bah écoutez les gens. Je vais m'alléger un petit peu. Et on se retrouve juste après. Comme ça, on pourra continuer tranquillement. Je vous dis à tout de suite. Donc c'est bon, j'ai pu me soulager un petit peu d'un petit peu de poids. On va continuer d'interroger les habitants.
Good day. My name is Desar Day from the congregation. I've been told that someone dear to you has disappeared.
Yes, my little brother. He left to go fishing, like every day, and he did not return.
Your Donegad asked me to help you. Any information you can give me would be very useful.
This is true? I hope your words to be heartfelt. My insides are twisting in fear that my brother is lost.
Alors, c'est l'apparence de son frère.
Can you describe your brother for me?
He is young, rather tall and strong. The girls find him handsome. He is such a nice boy, but he is wild off the tether, and often his curiosity gets him in trouble.
D'accord. Sur la disparition de son frère.
Can you tell me more precisely when he disappeared? Where and under what circumstances?
It was 2 days past. I saw him leave to go fishing, as he was often to do.
And you cannot remember anything out of the ordinary?
No, he was full of joy, full of life. I am so worried about him.
D'accord. Les ennemis de son frère alors?
Did your brother have any enemies?
No, I can't think of anyone who would plant strangleweeds in his garden. Perhaps a youthful rivalry. He didn't get along particularly well with the Master Hunter, but it was nothing serious. Perhaps the missionaries. He did get into a fight with them, but they surely wouldn't have taken him.
That could be a lead. Was he close to anyone?
He has been dreamy and more joyful than usual. Those are the signs of
Ouais, la fille de l'autre. Ils sont partis ensemble. Ils ont fugué à tous les coups.
Wants to share secrets with me. He told me that he has grown beyond the shadow of his brother, and the birds in his branches are his.
What do you think most likely happened to him?
He could have come face to face with Tenlands. They've become angry of late, but he knew how to avoid them. He might have had a run-in with the Mindshakers as well. He got into a fight with them a while back, because of a young girl in our village.
Eh oui.
You think the missionaries might have sought vengeance?
I don't know, but he might have went to find them in their village. He bears no good feelings towards them.
I will go and see. Maybe they can tell me more.
Parler des autres victimes?
Did your brother know the girl who also disappeared?
Yes. It is because of that girl that he fought with the Mindshakers.
Could she be the source of his happiness of late?
I don't think so. They have been friends since they were little. And she is promised to another.
A promise can be broken, and be the reason your brother has kept it secret.
Perhaps. But what would it matter? He would not have fled with her. Not without saying
Ah, ça tu sais pas. L'amour, hein. Parler des Tenlan.
What can you tell us about the Tenlands?
They are beasts that live near water, rivers or coasts. In all our memories, only if you approach their nests do they anger and attack. But lately...
Yes. Katazak told me they attacked the villagers. Could you point in the direction of their nest?
I know where to find one, but there are certainly more. My brother should not have left the village alone. But for a while now, he does not share my fears for him.
Parler des missionnaires.
Could you tell me about the missionaries?
The Mindshakers. They came here to take us to a marvelous village. They said it was a perfect place, where all is shining in light, and where there is no danger.
Their words seem to have been to your liking.
A place full of peace is a dream. Here we must fight to survive since the Tenlands have grown angry. And now their stories of light are difficult to imagine. It seems like a beautiful place though. But my brother fought with them. They gave trouble to a young girl, one of his friends. He told me that these mind shakers were liars, that they were hurting the more innocent young. I don't really know what to think. If they took them, could you tell them to give them back? There is no fair trade for our children.
The story about the fight compels me to at least go and ask them some questions. I must be leaving. It seems that our two missing youths were together here. No need for a seer to see that there must have been something more than friendship between them.
Donc, du coup, ça on s'en fout. Trouver les nids, il m'en reste 2. Réparer l'arme, j'aurais bien aimé. J'ai pas trouvé de tenue qui me fasse monter l'artisanat de 1, malheureusement. Et c'est bien dommage. Parce que ça m'emmerde de mettre un point tout de suite dedans. Je vais regarder quelque chose. Point de vue du sac. C'est pas ça. Oui, les essences de monstres, j'en ai un petit peu. C'est pas ça. Il me semblait avoir looté un objet qui pouvait me permettre de me respect. Je me souviens plus du tout comment il s'appelle. Autant j'ai fait de la merde et ah, ça doit être ça doit être dans les ingrédients, je pense. Je vois par rapport à la quantité, je pense pas. Furie majeure, c'est pas ça. Ça non plus. Antidote, sûrement pas. Ah, ça m'embête. Les mandats, masque effrayant, rouage. Ah, cristal de mémoire. Répartir à nouveau. J'en ai 4. J'en ai 4. Je peux me respect 4 fois quand même. Donc sur ce coup-ci, la magie, on a tout eu. On a tout eu en magie. Et je me dis que ça aurait été intéressant pour utiliser les lames à une main pour me défendre au corps à corps. Ça aurait pu être sympa. La roulade, ça ne m'intéresse pas vraiment. Les bombes, ça aurait été intéressant. Pour lancer les préparations alchimiques. Après, il y a bien sûr le soin. Touche également les alliés. Je vais garder mes points pour l'instant. Je vais garder mes points. Donc soit que j'augmente la puissance. 28 pour le prochain niveau. Ou soit les points de magie. Ça c'est pour porter de meilleures amulettes et colliers. Et ça pour utiliser les meilleurs anneaux. Voilà. La puissance, on est bon. Le prochain point, ça sera celui-là. Et ensuite, je pense que ça sera soit l'agilité, soit la force, suivant les armes qu'on voudra utiliser. Au niveau des talents, je mettrai plus rien là-dedans. J'aurais voulu mettre ici. Mais le point d'artisanat me tente bien pour pouvoir faire la quête. Je vais attendre encore un petit peu. Donc au niveau de la... Donc ça c'est la quête, on est bien d'accord. Là c'est les villageois. On va trouver les nids. Les nids. Retrouver les villageois perdus. Donc je pense que c'est le couple de jeunes. On va d'abord trouver ça. Donc il doit y avoir un nid ici. C'est là. Très bien. Donc, on va continuer à longer. Il va falloir passer ici et aller juste là. Je suis pas allé là. Je sais pas si on peut. Allez, on va se dépêcher.
The hunter mentioned that their dominant only went out at dawn. I would be better to come back later. It is dawn. The ideal moment. I must kill the dominant before destroying the nest.
Bit of poison on my blade. And let's go! Greenblood, my friend.
Non, on s'en fout de
Glad
toi.
to see you. I'd like to talk
Ah oui,
to
c'est
you
vrai
about
qu'il avait une quête à me donner.
I'm listening.
Remember that note we found in Rolf's office?
Of course. The one that said the recruits had been sent to different governors.
Yes. It was signed with a name I'm familiar with. Herman. Somebody I'd hoped never to cross paths with again. He was the one who founded the camp we closed. And believe me, he has done an incredible amount of damage to the guard. I'm gonna find him and make him pay for what he's done. I know that he's in San Mateus.
Alors, on le remet juste un peu plus tard. Ne le prends pas mal.
Anything else?
Non, non, je oh! Ah, il y a moyen d'être en couple avec monsieur. Je me demande si je peux avoir plusieurs prétendants. Oui, je suis une vraie connasse.
The Master Hunter will no doubt be relieved to hear it.
Donc là, on est bon. La clairière.
A basket full of berries and a trap full of fish. All of it scattered and half eaten by beasts. Our two lost souls were here together. They must have been attacked, or they wouldn't have left their takings. Let's search the area. Maybe we can find their trail.
Un moyen de suivre leur piste. Alors déjà, on va voir la carte. Alors là, l'entre-sombre. Peut-être qu'ils sont allés directement dans la grotte. Ne serait-ce pas du fer? Bien sûr. Bien sûr que c'est du fer.
That cavern seems to be home to some creatures. Let's be wary. It could very well be the lair of that great Tenland the hunter spoke of.
Ouais. C'est bien ça. Ah merde, ils se sont fait bouffer?
3 corpses. One is older than the others.
Ah non, c'est celle avec le chapeau ridicule.
No doubt are missing.
Oh merde.
Return to the village. Their families need to be informed.
Oh la loose. Ah ça me fait limite chier quoi.
I cannot believe that these missionaries used such a ruse to achieve their goals. 2 youths died because of them.
And we wonder why the natives have a bad opinion of us.
Ah ça me fait limite chier putain. Je suis désolé pour lui quoi.
Well, Onol Manawi, have you found my brother?
Ah ouais.
I found him, but I am truly sorry. Your brother is dead.
Andevush Dire. May the earth welcome him. I felt it. How did it come to pass? He knew every stone on our lands. It couldn't have been an accident.
He had a liaison with a young girl from the village. They would meet in a clearing. They must have forgotten the hour. Night took them by surprise, and a Tenlan crossed their path. I found both of them in the cavern of the beast.
How terrible. Why did he go to see the girl in secrecy? They could have... I must recover his body. To give it up to the earth, as is our custom. Where is it?
With the body of the girl he loved, in a cavern near the clearing. But it is a dangerous place. Other Tenlans might still be roaming there, though I did kill quite a few.
I have a duty owed to my little brother. Thank you, Onol Manawi. I will not forget this.
I must be leaving.
Ben de rien, hein. Désolé pour toi. Hein. Donc du coup, je pense que je vais mettre le point dans l'artisanat. Et celui-là, ça c'est les armes à impact. Et ça c'est les armes à une main. Ça je le verrai à l'occasion. Là je vais mettre l'artisanat. C'est armes et armure. Allez. Je vais faire ça. De toute façon je peux me respect, c'est pas bien grave.
Here is your weapon. It is just like new.
Thank you. You have given it back its purpose. It belonged to my master before me, and you have understood its nature. It may be that you are more Onol Manawi than Renaigse, and that you will one day see as we. During my walks, I saw a great Tenlan of clear skin. The others seemed to follow him. I felt that he called them, that he fed them rage, and that his place is not here.
Why didn't you try to kill it?
He is very strong, and the others protect him. I was only able to
Mais
track
c'est
him
bon,
to
je viens de
his
le
lair,
buter là.
a cavern. I placed traps all around it, but all were avoided. He is
Bah,
clever.
en tout cas,
You
il
say
est peut-être
he
malin, mais
doesn't
je l'ai
have his
défoncé quoi.
place here. What do you mean?
That he was brought here to attract the others and make them rage. By men, the Renaig say.
Comment ils ont
But
fait ça?
I cannot prove this. That is why I did not wish to voice these thoughts. I feel it, nothing more.
Parler du pêcheur disparu.
The brother of the young fisherman told me that you do not get along.
We have had arguments from time to time, but they were of no importance. This boy is too quick to anger. He does not have the calm of a good hunter of fish.
And you didn't try to rid yourself of him?
Of course not. None of our kind would do such a thing.
I must be going.
Donc on va informer bien sûr la dernière personne. Comme quoi ben sa fille... Non, c'est sa petite sœur. La petite sœur est morte malheureusement.
Do you have any news? Do you know where my sister is?
Yes. I'm truly very sorry.
Oh no. Nah. Ser Tonsidag, please do not tell me that she is dead.
I found her body in the lair of a great Tenlin, not far from the clearing.
But how could she have been surprised by the beasts? She knew the danger.
She went out to meet the young fisherman. The time must have flown by, into the night. I am so sorry. We found them both dead.
I must bring her body back to carry out the rite.
You should not go alone. I killed as many as I could, but it would be better to be prudent.
I shall follow your counsel on Olmanawi. 2 deaths are enough. Thank you. Thank you.
I must leave now.
Donc voilà. Ça, bah, malheureusement, ça c'est fait. Donc il va falloir aller voir les missionnaires. Mais pour l'heure, on s'arrête là pour cet épisode. D'ailleurs, il va être beaucoup plus long que les autres. Bah écoutez, likez la vidéo si elle vous a plu. Si vous avez des petits conseils à me donner, bon après là on a quand même pas mal avancé, mais peut-être au point de vue des dialogues, je sais pas. Dites-moi ce que vous en pensez. Si vous n'êtes pas abonné, je vous invite à le faire si vous voulez continuer à me suivre dans cette aventure. Sur ce, je vous dis à la prochaine.